Hey guys, how are you? Today with new topic how to make USB bootable with rufus. You must have rufus tool for making USB bootable. I have downloaded version. Here it is. Double click on it. Rufus. This is the GUI of rufus, which is version of rufus latest version. And then label your USB will be shown here. You can select ISO image, select from your partition where you save it, then select all is well, only change GPT to MBR BIOS URF, then all is by default set, then start. Click on OK. It will take a while, about 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, you can see that our USB is almost done, 100%, and this is finalizing. And bootable USB is ready. I wanna show you how to restart your laptop and the computer. Here you see that Windows 8.1 X28 Professional is appear. Okay guys, please subscribe our channel and like and do comment. Inshallah, in the next time we will serve you a great video about how to make a notepad, how to make in the next video we will show you how to make Microsoft Paint or this type of softwares in Visual Studio 2022. Inshallah. Thank you guys. Allah Hafiz.